If you accidentally formatted your SD card, whether it happened on your computer, in your camera, or even in another device, don't give up just yet. In this video, we'll show you how to basically unformat the card and get your files back. It only takes a couple of simple steps, and we'll walk you through everything. First, a couple of words on how it's possible to get your data back. Most of the time, when you format an SD card, it only performs what's called a quick format. That doesn't actually erase the files, it just wipes the index that tells your system where everything is stored. The real data is still on the card until it gets overwritten. So, if you formatted your SD card and didn't record or copy anything new onto it yet, you're in luck. Your chances of restoring that data are very high. Step 1. Download SD card recovery software. For this demo, we'll use Disk Drill, because in our own tests it performed extremely well with SD cards, and it's one of the easiest programs to use. Head over to the official site, we'll include the link in the description below, and click the free download button. Install it just like you would any other program. Step 2. Connect your SD card to your computer using a card reader or the built-in slot if you have one. Once it's plugged in, launch the recovery tool you just installed. You'll see a list of all the drives connected to your system. Look for your SD card and select it. Step 3. Run a full scan. Click the Search for Lost Data button, and then choose a universal scan. It's called that for a reason. It combines all the available recovery methods into one process. The scan may take a little time depending on the size of your SD card. Step 4. Check what was found and retrieve your files. You've got two main options for retrieving your data. Option 1. Once the scan finishes, just click the Recover All button. That'll pull back every file the software found. Just make sure you choose a safe location on your computer to save them. Option 2. If you don't want to wait for the scan to fully complete, no problem. You can start browsing while it's still running. Click on a specific category, like pictures or videos, to see what's already been found, or use Review Found Items to browse everything discovered so far. You'll notice that as you click on each file, a preview will appear on the right. This not only helps you confirm exactly what the file is, but it also shows you that the file actually survived the formatting and is fully intact. If you can preview it here, you can recover it. Step 5. Recover your files to a safe location. Once you've selected the files you want, click the Recover button and choose a folder on your computer or an external drive. Important tip: never save the recovered files back to the same SD card. That could overwrite the very data you're trying to rescue. Usually, Disk Drill will offer to save the files to your system drive by default. Just go with that. As you can see, there's nothing too complicated about it, just 5 simple steps. And it doesn't matter whether you're on Windows or Mac, the process is basically the same. In our experience, most people end up with a happy ending and successfully recover their formatted SD cards. The most important thing is to act quickly and avoid touching your SD card until you're ready to start recovery. That keeps your chances of success as high as possible. If you found this video helpful, please let us know. We strive to make guides that actually save your files. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Did it work for you? What files were you able to bring back? We'd love to hear your story.